Greetings and salutations, my good friends. This is Lightliger here, and as I promised, I would be talking about the Terra Virtua project. And also in a minute, I will be showing you around on their Windows application that is currently on public beta that anybody can download from their website in case they want to try it out themselves. Now, what exactly is Terra Virtua? So, to use their own words, it is the world's first immersive digital collectible platform. So once the first NFTs came out, people realized that, hey, we can do digital art, storing the image or the GIF animation or the music inside the IPFS and fetching the information from there while storing the NFT data onside the blockchain. And that was kind of like it, and obviously there was ways to curve the supply, make it very rare, or make it just like there's a one NFT for one art, which is not something that we see that much, but yes, it happens. So there was like new ways to kind of like adapt and interact with these NFT models inside DeFi, for example, as we have seen in the last couple of months or so. And obviously NFTs have existed for a long time already, but now they have become popular again because people have find a way to basically tokenize them and put some gamification behind there. But no point there has been really a proper platform for digital collectibles. And so, yes, you can view your art on OpenSea or another marketplace, but that's pretty much it. And that's where Terra Virtua has come in, and they have basically built out this Windows application. They also have a phone application. And with these applications, you can interact with your art and view all of your art in this sort of a one gallery of sorts, which we're going to be exploring in this video. And they have partnered up with a lot of big brands, Legendary, Paramount, and others. And they have, like, for example, Pacific Rim, Top Gun, and, you know, their own type of art, which includes these sort of robots, which are kind of cool. And here's the actual application, which you can download on Google Play using the AR technology, the artificial reality. And there also is an actual marketplace where you can sell and buy these NFTs. And they are a bit more valuable given the fact that, you know, there's a lot more utility that this application offers. You can also create auctions here for them, dashboard. You can see your inventory. I have two accounts, actually. One has one of those girl robots. It was a giveaway of sorts. And you can see your auctions. You can link your email address and your Ethereum address to it as well. There's a wish list, there's settings, and they also have their own token, which I talked about, which I'm very excited about at the moment, and looking to buy it. But that's not what we're going to be focusing here on today. That is just a one mechanism of this interface and, you know, kind of like application that they're building. Now, and also they have this sort of a in-game viewer on browser, so in case you're kind of like on the web or something you can't install anything, you can use this virtual viewer for your NFT. So this is the NFT that I own, and I can view it here on the space and how it like moves and everything. And it's a 3D model. Now I'm going to be opening up the actual application, which you can log in with your account. So I had a bit of troubles when I was earlier recording this, so I'm not going to be doing it here today. We're going to be jumping straight into the Terra Dome, which is made for a bit more larger NFTs. And basically, the other one is also, you know, for the fan cave or the man cave, obviously. That's what it should be called. These are using, I believe, the Unreal Engine, at least with just the Epic Games interface. And look at this. We're not able to see the FPS, but it's very smooth. The interface, everything like... Well, there's not interface, but everything like what I see here is moving very nicely. And, you know, there's no like frame drops or anything like that. And here you can basically add your like spaceship NFT collectibles or big robots from Pacific Rim. And that's kind of like the idea of this Terra Dome for bigger NFTs and their 3D models. Right now, I don't have any, so I'm not able to add anything here. One thing I would like to see in the future, obviously, is a jumping mechanism or maybe some type of interact mechanism. Maybe add like a radio or something. There's going to be probably a lot of audio NFTs in the future, which a lot of people are going to be excited about. So, that's interesting. And because like you could do like inside like a jukebox, and then you can play any music from it, because you own the NFT track, so to speak. So it's kind of a interesting mechanism in this whole thing. And this is how it like looks like. I think the high definition, there's even reflections and shadows here. There's not a lot of like things you can edit inside this whole thing. But, you know, here you can see your inventory, the environment. You can also take screenshots and share it with your friends or people to show that, oh, I have this and that. But let's kind of now jump into the fan cave, which is kind of more interactive and more, let's say, like a more finalized product. And this is where the magic basically happens in. And yes, it's actually Unreal Engine here. So here we can see our man cave or fan cave. Sadly, you can't go to the upstairs yet. At some point, they're probably going to be expanding on it. And here's the shelves. And I believe these are some types of heads. You have records here. You have a vinyl player. Okay, let's not look. Even from top line. Now can I close this? Because I don't want copyright strikes. But yeah, so what I can do basically is I can put my Terra board here, I can download it, and I can place it inside. Okay, let's put the audio off for a second. We can actually add, you can see, now it's here on the shelf, and that's the NFT, and I can actually move it. Oh, that's really cool. So can I put it back to the shelf, or I have to maybe have another one that I can, then you can choose here, it goes here on the pedestal, and you can view it around. Maybe they should actually move it a bit more on the center so you can go from the back. And this is like what the NFT future should look like. This is what other blockchains should use, that they just able to like add these basic NFTs here inside in their library, and then they can view it, and then they can like have an actual collection and gallery for this set. Like here, show, look, I have this, and I can add the artwork here as well for the Godfather. So I can actually place it here. Can I move it also here? Can I put one NFT multiple spots? I don't know if that's possible. I got it actually working earlier, but let's try to remove and then change the Godfather. No, we actually have to download it. Now we can place it. Okay, there we go. And here we have the Godfather painting. So this is the kind of the cool idea, the next level where NFTs are eventually going to be at, that there's going to be galleries and places where you can just place all your art in. Now, the big problem or the question here with Terra Virtua is you have all of these other players in the NFT space. Are you going to allow importing those NFTs into their application, or it's going to be selected list only? Is it going to be open source? Is somebody going to be forking this out? But the future will be that there will be more NFT galleries like this, and that will make more meaning and more value for NFTs in general, to have these types of spaces where you can actually interact with art and like see, oh, I have this collection ready here. I have everything here placed. And that's kind of like the cool thing about the next step when it comes to this whole NFT collection. And by the way, I don't own these Godfather paintings and everything. These actually come out with the actual beta version, but I do like that people are able to actually test out and try these different things. And this is why I'm very excited about the product of them, which they are working on right now, because they already have, you know, a working product here, which, you know, functions. Obviously, there's some tweakings that there need to be here, like support for lowering the graphics and things like these, so people with lower computers can access it. Maybe a mobile version of it also, if possible, and or maybe they do some type of different application which is more mobile friendly. But obviously they have the AR machine, which is basically you can add the bot, you know, next to your house or your couch or something. So that's kind of cool. And yeah, so really cool project. And I don't think this is going to be the first one and neither the last one on the space. It just really depends on what is exactly their game plan here, because if they're not going to allow everybody to come in and add their NFTs there. Once they have gone through like approval of sorts, people will be wanting to create and replicate their process and create their own thing. It is not exactly that hard, given out that there's so many already assets inside the Unreal Engine free assets which anybody can use. So yeah, but thanks for watching. I will be seeing you guys on the next video, and I probably will be doing more catch-ups on Terra Virtua once I have more and once they update applications. Obviously, if you want to support my work, you can drop some NFTs here. And I will see you guys on the next video, whenever it may be. Tomorrow, hopefully looking to stream, if possible. But I will see you guys next time on the next video.